Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome to Form 3 Mathematics. Our lesson for today is arithmetic progressions. Arithmetic progressions. This carry 4 marks. Let's do this question together now. The sequences 20, 17, 14 is arithmetic progressions. Find the 9th term. B. Find sum of the first 10 term. Sum of the first 10 term. Now, how do you go this? Solution. Now, the sequences, how do you find the 9 terms? The sequences is 20, 17, 14 is arithmetic progression. Find the 9 terms. Now, how do you get the 9 terms? For you to get the 9 terms, you need to use this formula. It says Tn is equals to A plus, close the bracket, n minus 1, close the bracket, d, where n is the number of term, a is the first term, and n is the number of term, d is now the common differences. The common differences. Here, let's say n is the number of terms. N, the number of terms here is 9 terms. Let's say n is 9. A is the first term. The first term here is 20. A is the first term, which is 20. And D is common differences. Now, the common differences, you take what is on your right side, you subtract what is on your left side. 17 minus 20. 17 minus 20, which will be negative 3. The common difference here is negative 3. Now you replace what you have here to get the 9 terms. Now t is equals to A, our first term is 20 plus 20 plus, close the bracket, n is the number of terms. The number of terms here is 9 terms, 9 minus 1, close the bracket, common difference is negative 3. Now here the 9 terms will be now 20 plus 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 times negative 3, that is negative 24. That is negative 24. Now the 9 terms will be 20 plus minus will give you a negative. Positive negative will give you a negative 24. Now the 9 terms will be negative 4. That is how do you get the 9 terms. Find the 9 terms. Using this formula, the 9 terms will be negative 4. Let's do the other one. Find the sum of the 10 terms. How do you go the sum of the 10 terms? Now, you need to use this formula. It's different, but it is similar. The sum of the 10 terms. You need to use this formula. Solution to question B. Find the sum of the 10 terms. Now you need to use this formula. Sn is equals to n divided by 2, close the bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now find the sum. Sum, you need to use this formula. This formula is just the same, but this one has got n divided by 2 has got a fraction here, and here the first term has got 2. The only difference is that one, but it is one and the same. Now sum of the first 10 terms, where we have n, the number of terms, we replace with 10 now. The 10 terms is equals to 10 divided by 2, close the bracket, 2 into a. Our a will be the first term, which is 20. our A is 20, close the bracket, plus n here is the number of terms. The number of terms is 10 terms. 10 minus 10 minus 10 minus 1. You close the bracket. D is the common difference. Common difference is negative 3. Common difference is negative 3. That is how do you go. Now the 10 terms will be now 10 divided by 2. Just we replace with the formula 10 divided by 2. Close the bracket. 2 into A, which is A is our first term is 20, plus n term, number of terms is 10. Now 10 minus 1. Close the bracket. The common difference is negative 3. Now our 10 terms will be 10 divided by 2 by 2 and by 2, 5. Close the bracket. 2 times 20, which will be 40, plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times negative 3, that will be negative 27. That will be negative 27. Here now, positive, negative will be a negative. That is where we say the 10 terms will be now 5, close the bracket, 40 minus 27. 40 minus 27. Now the 10 terms will be now 5, close the bracket, 40 minus 27. 40 minus 27 will be 13. 27 is 13. 40, that is 13. 40 minus 27 is 13. Now 13 multiplied by 5. 13 multiplied by 5, which will be 65. Now the 10 terms will be now, the 10 terms is now 65. I think that is how do you get the 10 terms. 10 terms using this formula. Now we said, how do you find the 10 terms using this formula? We said the 10 terms, the n is the number of terms. The number of terms here is 10 now. You say 10 divided by 2. 2 into bracket 20. 20 is the first term, plus 10 minus 1. Close the bracket, negative 3, which is common difference. Now the 10 terms is equal to 10 divided by 2 is 5. Close the bracket. 40 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times negative 3 is, that is negative 27. 5, close the bracket. 40 plus minus will be negative 5. Close the bracket. 40 minus 27 is 13. The 10 term will be now 5 times 13 is 65. If it is your first time to watch this video, don't forget to share and subscribe. I wish you all the best.